Abusia mami mfanchia kese ema baby bibia wo bia na wotime ni bia na mema wachena mema wo akwaba ebe dwumadie so sabre ekopem se abeka akra na ekwa akobo don a eye nonsia na meno edi entitimu ewo afidie ye eso say sofo say go ne one of the kind edi dwumadi sofo foriata ansana say go ba megiri ye said de wunya nyina no minim se bia ya wodwene ho ene se wanya kwenye te se wo dakra no na obi kasegu asum wonyame asem se wadwuma be ye o danya ne kakra na efe obi aka cho se de akire nyina ma honye den wa awurade mu a na minim se ne ya wo fa no za de bia no nyame de maye no de kyeye kwa ya na enipesu no ne tobre bia ye de ye diagro o wombeba ombeba juada ombeba brada ombeba de che o ombeba etije se won hyedam fanye hwede a na ne wo ye de niema diagro ntina twere ne se fa osuro ni ahopopo ye wankasa won kwaje adwuma awrade nyame ode ama won awrade de waje nkwa akasa ode osuro ni ahopopo arpei ye nuana mane ye aye ene ya de amone ya kan ye toa so wonyame agya nyame oba nyame sonson konkron din mo se ye di akire no ye bema ye ho aye den ewa awurade ene ne tumi ne na ho odene no mo asumi nyame wampini so afami kiramana awurade mo aye na ye ho nye den ewo sunsum di akire no moma mo honye den wa awurade ahodene ene ne tumi mo arope senka wode wo nyame som esi ensani ani so a awjiri yese enka wo begina sei arope senka wode wo Kristo som your spirituality enka wode si ensani ani so a if we have a weighing scale and you say Jina Sony and way. But you see na obia no ya wonim wait. We didn't fear big cry kwa so pity be a ye way. You check wait. Ya do see enseni ani so a. Ujiri ye say wait na e say. Spiritual wait. Spiritual measuring machine. Ya do see so a. Also asumanyamia how many years? Ujiri ye say ya do see enseni ani so a. Ube we say ya asemo. Ya asemo say ya dwene ho ba. Ebepimone was nyame 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Oh, ya wo metum enye how kra. Na wan kasa ebepimone sukono mabi a waje awrade adi na nsen ya ono na akọ no fa akwankyere because wan kasa no spiritually wo da form wo munimuni wo wiawia. Measure was spirituality. When you say, and Kawonka discerning of spirit, or say, yeah, Juma. Ewa wabra bumana. When you say, Kawanka Sawansa, at Towo Masua, I was a Diara Saba. When you say, Kawanka Sanso Sono, gift of revelation, the power gift. I can say, yeah, Juma Womo. I didn't know, yeah, Juma. And pay. Mama no me no yanko nyame na me ka kire Awurade say Awurade me besa me ho ye din e wo mu. I want to be strong in you. Me besa me ho ye din, me besa me ho ye din, me besa me ho ye din e wo Awurade ahode ene wotumi emo. Mama fa Aunt Mary Ganza adwom ento aso ada pay me a very special time with Celestine Donko. Aunt Mary Ganza and a 60th birthday. 60th birthday sana mama fa de dwom en chance ye ento aso say and then yem fan ko ono nyame etiasefo no enim. The 60th birthday ayende and then yumre yebetwa hia ewo na baby okwa sorry ICGC Spinter's Road. Happy birthday to you, Auntie Dr. Mary Equia Ganza. Nyame no wadine ye, nyame no wakane ye, nyame do wajine ye. Enti enano pay de nyame ase ne measure ye spirituality. Ye measure na sano na ye de ye nua be nso konyame ye ne de nyame ase ma Dr. Mary Ganza. And what is 60 years in fear duesia. Rade mayebi. And you're riding Casa, me to buy community and son. Radio Wafano, William near me, Radidi Wood, war, soon, when I'm dear, what Jenny 1719, Radina Yosa. Isaiah Woman say, ye young coupon. We are the battle axe of God. We nyame akondi ankasa. Nyame pese ye bribia onkwetu na waye. You are the battle axe of the Lord. Ewurade fa woso ebubu enkonua epapai. Satan ene ne honam enema. Satan ne na beye dom. Pay Abra Yunia Ba Americans a day and Nimana ye to join. No special time with Celestine Donko. Nenuma Emada, Emma Bontinida. Baby, I be born a cane a yourself so. The latest song, the latest album of our dear sister Celestine Donko. Yabebono Haya says ya, Yabebono Hanama says ya, and so just get ready for me. My member on chances here. Say na Mother's Day na cause pa kruma yede my mother and from a wia me call baby na chese wo hwe ma me fo a wo made wo mo ba na wo mo bedidi from morning to the night me free on from afternoon to the night me free on abobes at 10 right Boba 10 if free but free we are sorry a share one segment to another segment entertaining our mothers. The GDS say Oma me energy. And I'm crowned so by mammy for me no be at a so name sumu baby no crab bible no more co devotion. Yes, Monsieur Rade. Rade, Coswana found Sato, ya mamma no more, ya yere no more, ya swan no more, ya auntie no more, so. But your umi wanona when you're riding Cassa, say Rade Mammy Honyad, Rade Mammy Honyad, Mammy Homa Hodney. yɛbɛkɔ yɛn nsɛm yi so deɛ edi akyire no momma mo ho nyɛ den Awurade ne na ho ɔde ne tumi mu deɛ di akyire no deɛ momma mo ho nyɛ den bankasa masɔfo ho nyɛ den it is all ye Christoni na wa ma ho anya den na de ho to osofo odifo sempakani apostle ehho ahwa achi archbishop ni waboka de di akire no mo no kire se eye dodo ka bia mo no kire se obi biara wagye awurade adi no eye wasede se we make a conscious effort to be strong in the Lord. Deɛ edi akyire no hwenyame ahoɔdene efisofo ngoma tinsia nkyekemu a ɛyɛ du deɛ edi akyire no adwoa ma ahonya den kwadwo ma ahonya den ya ma ahonya den ya ma ahonya den na ɛho den no ɛnyɛ deɛ yɛde kɔko physically Kasani okano momma mo honya den Awurade ne na ho ode ne tumi ye wotumi e wa Awurade mu ba wo no esese wo ba wadwene po se memma me ho aye den so be den na me ho aye den die edi akire no wan kasa wo dampai so wo ride moto adam for person e ba ko Adom Ahengua ma honya den Mahonyate, I know about you. Baba police, about you. Nanso Mahonya day where Radim and Kwa sorry keke, and Tojuma keke, and preachy keke. Janopay, who could just so. We are fitani, we are police, we are soldier, we are nurse, with the hospital. Mahonya den and you may be catching us a won't survive but Mahonya dene catch it on say me Yaw Owusu Ansah me mame ho ayede Awurade to me and na ho odene mo eye ne ma me no Mahonya den Awurade na ho odene etumi mu na ho odene etumi mu Awurade ho odene mbra me ne o me no so ahodene a yetumi de ekon ekon ahodene a yetumi de hyiade ahodene a yetumi de hweyema ahodene a yetumi de teteyema ahodene a yede kwa aware fofrom ahodene a yetumi de etukwan kodi nkonim sa ahodene na yesre ede ama yehoye baby awo bia no esre wa ma woni so Free nay kopimbo sumina wiye sampa ye say no ye no be bon ha Ready me here so you can see that physically you have become very so weak, so vulnerable. You don't know what to do. And then you say, Lord, give me your strength. Lord, I need your strength. Lord, I need your enablement. May your bad time. I want never Lord, Ready, Mama, what did it? Let me survive, oh God. I need your strength. I need your strength. I need your strength. Mama Mohonya den. Erade. Edena ho odene. Etumi mo. Verse 11 says, na mon share nyankopon kodie nyina na matumi agina ene obonsam ene de no ediesie won share wonyame akodie ni nyina na matumi de obonsam na de na ediesie ke nyinsa winyinsa no enya keke bi o bibi wonuma ekutia unyinsa bibi wonuma ekutia wawade bibi wonuma ekutia efia wadi uni asase umpeja adempo eno wakase mepe blocks de atoso something is fighting you bibi na woko was so share nyame akonde no a mon hye nyame akonde nyina mon hye wear it put on that weapons of the Lord, put it on. What did it be? Ya de she. Why emre ifrinra? Then so be bow and charm and walk say, I'm telling you that put on the weapons of the Lord. Put it on. What jagu hodo and I would when in see as soon as you are benten so put on the mantle. Put on the dress. Fata dianesha. You are naked and you are naked. We are naked walking in the streets. But I would rather say, one share. Yankopon akodi eno nyina. Eni man de egu ho, egu dem ho da umpa no so. Enam afidie so. Akodi eno enam afidie so. Ya ya ka nyina enam afidie so. Na de aka ne se wo de be hye. Na wo de hye wi a. Osemo nhye akodi eno nyina na matumi agina. Fuel station wona wo ye adwuma na total wona wo ye adwuma e wa achimota no. Baby, I will Juma shell honor. Baby, I will Juma fitem honor. Baby, I will Juma sukum honor. Wouldn't so be a white Juma, want me, and survival, want me anymore. If you now go worry, you must put on. Shatadiano. Now, who bet to me? I was here. Catch you on the met to me. Who bet to me? Now, what to me a Gina? I was here, bet to me a Gina. Who bet to me a Gina? And one empire bar, me no obo. And met to me a Gina. You was answer met to me a Gina. Who's who bet to me a Gina? Our dear Engu, our dear Beba, I want a Beba. A Juma who bet to me a Gina. Oh, you will survive. You will surely overcome it. Met to me a Gina. And that's a who couldn't bear or you're bear, catch it and say, offer. My dear, okay, if you are, you bet to me a Gina. Why? I suffer. You bet to me a Gina. I saw no Yebejina. I was young Yebejina. I did to you and answer Yebejina. Sikani one answer Yebejina. No, catch it on. Speak to yourself. Encourage yourself. Mushadina, Munina. Now, what to be a Gina on someone there, dear, see the deception of the devil. You will stand. You will not bow to the devil. Let me remember. Me remember. Me mano enye. Enkwada wo be ye basa sa bioda. Let me remember. Me sit down. Suku no meko. Wo betu bi agina. Wo na me catch the wo. Taxi driver, truck driver. Okuyani. Wo na me catch say you can make it. Good morning. Any Raden Kasa. Maybe I won't change CBO. Any Raden Kasa. Metumi agina. Na metumi agina and obron summon there yes. What the 60 years to say you yaba Mary Ganza. My catcher was a bit to me. Maybe I was 70. And Rama me penny be on a make us. He say me could 97. Who bet to me? Was meeting me an Antiaco Bebia. Menina Yukusukusu Kakra. The Mianse Radebeko Swabuame. James and Besame Topano would be already 87 or say Nepano and what turning a Mabawa Brimano over so a sound to you, and the pan where the chain will be a pan. A mammy who will be grazer, what the Yamias. The batch of any Radin Casa, maybe this year.
Fire crosses, Naso way radibu ya mobo. Wama wonwe chinetua, ni nara ayema.
shame. When you mean quiet. Yes, sir. Yes, we are Madinina. Yes, we are Madianina. Baby, I won't be to me. I'm on Sasso, but I now don't buy but no barrier. Right away, I'm Madianina. We are Miku, we are me, we are Juma, we are Medine. We are my brabo, French, and for right away, I'm Madianina. I testify your grace and latest album from Celestin Duncan. This is the new album of Celestin Duncan. I said that my body amawana when ya a hunt the first radio station Airbus Ajme Adom 106.3. Facebook abon say I'm for Trensem. I'm for Trensem. I will check Facebook once a mammy for Mriwa, Mabawa, Ketesia. Pictures are who do a good one more. Dear said, ah, my God, you can see that yes, indeed, a man for celebrity. The home grandma. Yeah, Papa Francis, I could see my coma, man, and when you need. We thank God. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Professor, and that's a boy from Pong. Oh, yeah, yo, Martin. Naomi, I just say good morning. I'm in Celestin Duncan. I'm in Casa Mete by Kubi Ansah. Matua Mensebiso. Celestin, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, what to say? Oh, yeah. Yeah, congratulations for your new album. Congratulations. Money Ajuma. That is a powerful one. When they mad dear enyina. When they mad dear enyina. Where you mad dear enyina. Where your mammy. Rather where your mammy. Where you mad dear enyina. Now where your mammy. A dear Kenya was a jum for fro a yemo.
This time, I'm not to a single or double. And for me, decline in our way, we are money. And my second one, more and for Bulu, I feel myself bread of life. Into this time, a double release. Now, we are mamma. Bible said, no, my name not on my mercy. Now, we and I don't know over.
Yes. Nyame. Nyame yo. Nyame yo. Nyame yo. Se nyame nya kamino mi no nki awiesa. Kamino mi no nki awiesa. Me eti and ya dika bono was afidie so abe na ba bontren. Ayi na ye benya bie. Okay. Okay. In the year. Okay. Now, one and follow the sun, so better than almost where money be. One more social media inclined now, one more enquire internet so phone crans we name send your back call Instagram, we name send your back call YouTube, we name omono sana so better no money be one moment take my one moment tin suita, one moment 10%, one moment say yours. Now so what can you know so Mother's Day say now celebrating or say now we knew kuno most celebrating or baby I'm
Mother's Day, Adom ICGC, I wrote New York in April celebrating.
Okay.
Mother's Day program,
New York, Bronx, and I say which area of New York? Bronx. Okay. It's a honor celebrity. All right. Okay. All right. And Gawa Hanomans and can someone back a catch them for in 1 minute. Can be bitre mamminum Fibia Menoni, Yenes, a few when you kuno a dream pani, a dream bonin is to see a bonin is to see a pa and more the ministry no Makopia, United States of America, and a more goes to it. Can be bitre mammy for you now.
I'm before you now, that Yamin Shire, no ma, in now contenting and now ordained. Now, a sense of the picture is between 1644. I'll say, everyone who quotes this proverb will quote this proverb about you, like mother and daughter.
So, quote to you, was it Ezekiel?
Ezekiel 1644.
1644.
Like mother, like daughter.
Aye. Aye.
Like mother, like daughter. Everyone who quotes this proverb will quote this about you, like mother, like daughter. If the daughters are, we are seeing now a point back to mother,
so like mother, like daughter. It is senia mame tieno. Sa so na e ban so tie. It way mame ben. And na we say na wo pese wo ban so baby I go to you no na me dey make kan. Na
mother, the kind of money I
okay. Koto and one. It is sunny. What mammy what tea and a son, our bounce so a betie. And to nature say,
that's baby, but I said, dear chair, and pointed back to Mamma who fit you a day. And I said, Mamma, I'll take
Mame kan sa se no hwehwe obiara obebu obubu emme no bebu wo ho ebeyi se de enate no saa na ne banso so etie se ne ebatie no saa na ne banso so tie but also to bre bia maame bi wono obetreni agrumu obetete ne banso so na kwada na ansa ne maame na kasa etufo ja kwadwiro no ja no ya no ja insekuro no ja adwamammo no ja senso so na kwada na ya sobrache Ezekiel chapter 16 verse 44 Senia unity no and just ya bebuo no o ka de na nso just say wotete wo bayi da chi no wo ba no beda usu edi ewo emontene so hi
ena daddy quite some and say very important point back Oba befa swatse no ba nyamusuru anafa nyamusuru aso.
Okay.
In fact, a bit baby no. Abafana wa tim na no. Unti wa so. Ana say obi titi na so ene niama ekofu wa. But so train nyame akwanya. Obi so nyame nka so be take over from baby awu ma me no am going to be. Into near 23 years, over 30 about running a make answer. Now, for which I have come,
okay. A brain number, some way, Wapigana, Yebesa compare bio. Ezekiel chapter 16, the verse number 44. Ubiara obebu emme, no ebebu beyi ho afa ho se. Enti, mami bia wutie bia no. Yebebu baby afa wo ho se ne maame afia mprate no saa na ne ba koso yetwomwa ana ya echa ana sa abramponsa te yebebu be edina je se maame bia ye celebrate wo bia no yeso wodwo yeso bra ho ase but esese eda ne ho adi wo manumu edinya wo awodwo keke Lois any Eunice yeah that's right I would try with free mobile your funa wo it just say your funa wo no e wa adwuma Yafuna wo adwuma papa senia enitie no saa na ne banso so ababawa etie adwuma wo ho asem we dia ema adwuma ba it after Mother's Day mami bia wa adwuma they say mami ye celebrate mami wo bre ho ase mami wo kasa ye mami wa ware ye fe mami ni nyina twa besi se wo se ye bebu beyi se Yebebu beyi edi afa wo ho se senia eni wotie no sarankasa ena woba ababawa ena woba brantie no so etie ozo de bia ya ebebe ni yebebu Selesing wonyom foforo na aba ne ye kan ho asem baba bia wo san de akọ eye what eye pa eye what hey what da bia ya ka oh like father like son we dey like daughter like mother like mother sweet mother ese no wo say ye nyina no o mama wa o mo te say case the Bible, Ezekiel chapter 16 verse 44. Verse 44. Was ye bebu be e de afa wo maame ya wutie me ho. Se senia wotie no. Sana. Ejo ye oba ahema senia oba ahema wotie no saa na ukromo emaba watie. Wo ye sofu maame a senia sofu maame wotie no. Ejo ye sofu maame a wo sere ana wumuna. Sofu maame man so twini. Emudi ahe na woye. We are mammy, we are money squanderer. We are mammy, we are ungrateful, Anna. So I say, Mammy Fancy, Awate, Yabasaka Sawate, Yabasaka, Chiagofi Mamawate, and now Monko Sonia de Amoya. Why? Monko so why? Okay. Awate. For scriptures were who?
Hey, Papa.
So for scriptures were who?
Papa B.
Ye baby baby afa wo mame. Senia. Mame what you know?
Wona what te wo ba.
Senia wo mame.
And senia what you know pepe. Sana obano zori but ya kana sa it's not on a silver platter.
Debut.
You need to work at it.
I no near semono. This is we ya ho adwuma because maame no wodwo maame o ka say we ya obi a we diligent just say ye de adwuma bia hye wo nsa we ya pa nanso so ye bon kontene wo ma does it reflect and then ho adi
nature say wanye wo no mu adwuma na just say yes na ye defeat scripture say train the child the way they should go. One say but ye kind of tra chirabofra kwan fa so chirabofra na wo hwe we no you should train. One can teach you.
Baby.
And you different between
you TT. Nanso you train.
You train.
Teteno. Tetene kasa.
And you know
tetene dressing.
Bishop and Crawford we university and so omo any teacher for pay. Teachers they are trained to teach. And you no be university on our training college.
Okay.
Yes, oji pay because you are training no say on chradie. And you are graduate, but we are people teacher was because you are not trained.
You are not trained.
And
you are not trained.
Say omubeti mi abeti say ya na ombeche no. Just a training.
Ai, Ewrade ma sa adom yo. Ye sa adom yo. Because say nanse no ye nya brent tete ye ma. But on say bia Ezekiel akotu say na ye bebu bei ade afa wo ma me ho se. Se ne wo ma me asomasi wotie no. Sa
ena obate
yanka se wonu aba o senia maami asomasi wotie no maami pepra se de wotie no
sa na wo man so tie na gise wo
senia afia nkoroma wotie no sa na wo men so tie sa na afia Monica tie
me so wo se obi timi hwe maami bi busan se woni baba bia wo
oh yeah
Nature say, well, qualities
do. That make catch me. Say, what's your mama? Mama, di what you or bet or the onim so all your so cool, calm, quiet.
A good testimony. A good testimony. Now, mama, the training or the
detain.
You know, we didn't want Ama when you are generous. I am ne mamma in a year. Detain. I don't think say, we are bear man when you will be by warren or be careful. Send your winning mamma. Be careful because my mini training ama wanya oba wodwo or wakasa power when ni die o buo empemuguro mpo na wo so ya ade na ma mene na tete no so ja no ma ne sey ya enka wonhia sa baba wa ye bebu be we dia fa ho me so wo France wo bon say post be da honum wo France from Wednesday Thursday from Thursday yeah wo djumadi kase be these things we are going to talk about it wo bon say wo honum a France masofo ewu ma hu say wo nam Facebook ya no say papa you are blessing me so Richard about for France resurrection power and no cry ba ko be kokono no ayu na mene communicate sa no and or they tosoda wa France bia no this is an event baso resurrection power living bread ministries international ye wa yenkrabata e wo honom a ye dwumadie this week e wo honom and it is going to be massive and powerful na ye distancing we nyina beka ho ye namu
ye de bedi namu so for je we de bedi namu
sorry wa dwuma yo
sorry wa dwuma
Bishop scriptures we no
scripture we de wo sia
and can digest in a year. Yeah, receive it. We are receiving nothing. We are not training the next generation. We are not training the next generation. And a yeja one and a genius stop.
Sania and Natiano.
Sana ne batie.
Asamo Saniama, it is a who you don't know ya and you check it.
Hey, as a woman him. Come back so ya.
What you don't know ya and you check it. So you know what Hombrasia, the Yamia Semane Mame. So you know your Jumaya Fua. Also, Nana Mammy and Casanemo will be out nan and change.
Bishop, now was the same Tina Canen Oko Waria and Peninforce if you will me, my uncle. Yeah, my uncle. Baby, so our boss, oh, my menum so. Uni how cry, as soon as he body, one. And Yako. And
do besi and France Diano and now here another one so Kahua and also Germany Jumedia Cassia back also a conference for men of God and church leaders and church workers and also Kifako a kingdom business, kingdom training, kingdom talks, kingdom revival, kingdom motivation. Kifako for also and also a Hamburg, and also a Tarot and then Kifako 2019, and a lot of men of all believers conference, all believers all night and Obeko. Now all believers conference. Send me woman metiano. Hey, I just coffee me who also be checking. I'm checking what's the woman metiano. Do Bema or yes, if we are checking. A manipulator checking. Scripture, but I will be a tritonom. You beg come into detail. Ezekiel chapter 16, verse 44. Ezekiel chapter 16, verse 44. Obiara obebu ebe yino bebu no ho se ebebu no ho se said ye enate no sa na ne banso sotie
Jina benin 40 mikas asome siba mesime ma nwa no ne nwa na china ya no omo ahunu
senia batia sa na ne maame na tisa enti wo hwe na wo hwe Eunice no hwe Lois na wo hunu se Timothy ma
wo ya ba mu abade ma na tete
no wo de o maame kasa kura wo mfanya hwe wo maame kasa na oposa niema wo maame kasa na oposa niema wo be posa ma na hono Umami kasa, umami ka, ajwa jai, akosu ya jai. Mame, when the moment time I trim, and I'm more time I trim this modern world.
So called modernism.
Ace. Umami kasa, what the rich experience in the walk kasa. What ba sorry with the only mammy or mami paying for more children sending your dress. Hey, mammy, this time of day, the attorney honey I didn't until. Hey, I don't go. Huyo adwani wa tete
yes ewa
it is saying na woma etifa abusia ya de obesia Friday ya all never again all night Friday it is going to be powerful jubedi de doso and so France check it France from Thursday more Facebook or they are two from Thursday we contact somebody in sovereignty and then in the venue and you come there Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International and then the following week you know now you call Kifako 2019. But I say Yabompai, so for Yamompai, Yamompai, Mpeja, Mammy Fuina say Rade Emma, Womo, Intibinia is super and Yabrabapa.
Yan Copon, Yadi Nipa, Chia, Yina, Shawon, son of pay, Titru, Mammy, Nom. sɛ awurade ɔmbɛyɛ wɔ asɛdeɛ sɛ bɛyɛ a wɔn mma bɛtumi ayɛ te sɛ wɔnom anaasɛ akyɛ wɔnom ɛnanom a ɛsuo nyinaa nso awurade yɛsrɛ wo na wakyekye wɔn werɛ na wakyintim wɔn ase awurade ma yɛnni yɛ berɛ so aba ma mmaatae ni wɔn berɛ so aba ɛma wɔ berɛ nyɛ kwa Jesus Christ din
hallelujah
ɛne yɛabɔ mpaye amen
amen and amen and amen and amen and amen and amen Auntie Mary Ganza. And I was 60th birthday. Josephine, we know Kronos, so congratulations. And you better move by the Anopaya. Anopaya, ya baba true. I could anything. Anopaya. Tina Masha,
yeah, money, baby.
Who's in Masha? I say, now the blue,
but white woman.
White. Okay. Asofo mami amoba me ehia no so yeda masepa nra mo me ehia and it was a nice fellowship mo anso amoba Mother's Day Mami Dora so oda yegyina ase Mami Dora afia kirewa amako so good morning Mami Dora and happy Mother's Day to every mother mamudi because mo doso ma before doso me boba na misuro Kofi, we bought them is because my before the dozen who boba could know what the two as one when your case. To Miss Ma before you know, one more German, one more Britain, one more England, one more Ukraine, one more Romania, one more Afghanistan, one more Ghana, one more Koforidia. I love all of you. I love you, Mama. I love you. I love you, Mama. But yeah, come on, I'm saying what did this? Oh, yeah, Munko. Thank you, Kajo. Watching a better to us. It's not up my head. Near to us, pa. Kofi, so man, how are there? Oh man, all wishes. Oh, nah, but you don't hear. Oh man, day. Unkas. Are you a mama day? Yatina. Where your guy? Woman energy, yeah. We feel it. And Mama, no, sorry, me no track cake. Nam somebody mom pie my. Enti me koto mama me ba ko de nsato me so. Me ono e de 87. Man de nsato me so e bom pie mama. She prayed for me. Na me wo mama say wo ma sorry me man mom pie mama de na me age. Me ko boni be yi. Wo yare papa. Me ko boni be yi say. Wo mama mo empa fo be ya. Mama tego anti-comfort. Yeah, Mr. Pacho found that to me to this one. I make a bumpire more. I was surrounded by some bumpire, my bomb. I say, see, dear, Mumbo be mammy. Now, what you patch up bumpire, mammy? What you made, dear, I want to show me, good dear. Bumpire, mammy, so you may be my man was ready and what to do it. But I love you.